Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I have a Walmart beauty box unboxing, and I thought I canceled it. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, let's get to it. This is what it looks like. Walmart beauty. It always comes packaged up very nicely. Look at that. Nice presentation. Look at that. Okay, let's see. It comes with a card in here somewhere. Nobody ever reads it, I don't think. Embrace your beauty. It says to rate and review. The inside of the box top. So that's that. First thing on the top of the box is the Rembrandt Whitening Boost Kit, and it's good for 3 days. So this is nice. 3 days worth. My teeth can use some whitening. Very nice. And it's sealed up nice, so ain't nobody been in it. Rembrandt Deeply White Peroxide. And it comes with, let me open this. I ain't messing up my nails. Okay, it comes with 6 custom fit whitening strips, 3 treatments each with 1 upper and 1 lower. Okay, this is good. This pays for the box by itself. Okay, the Walmart beauty box comes 4 times a year, and they're $5. Okay. And here's a coupon, $2 off coupon, in case I really like this and want to buy some. Rembrandt. Available at Walmart. Okay. And what's this? Some kind of, I got 2. Okay. Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer. It's a day and a night mask made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. Okay, it's a mask, and I probably won't use it because it might break me out more than I break out already. Okay, Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. I can't use Garnier hair products. It make me sick. They smell real good, nice, sweet, fruity smell, but it makes me sick. Can't wear it. What else? Okay. Nothing. I thought these were coupons, but they're not. Okay. There's another Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, Nourish and Restore. Oh Lord, it got some of everything in here. Donkey Milk Salmon Egg Extract. That's surf and turf, right? 15 to 20 minutes of relaxation. Skin Gel Mask. Never heard of this. I had something else that had some kind of milk in it. It might work. I may or may not use this. I'm not sure yet. And, oh, got the Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. A gentle clean for hands and face. No harsh chemicals. They said they're new, thick, and soft. How many wet wipes? 8 wet wipes are in this package. So this is very nice. And I really like the Rembrandt. So these make up the $5 that I paid for the box. And what else in here? Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Whole Blends Gentle Conditioner, which I'm not going to use because it might make me sick. And I'd be stupid to use something that I I already know it's gonna make me sick. So, good product. I just can't use it. Okay? So that's everything. So how many was that? So I'll count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is for the face, this is for the hair. 6 products. I really like the whitening and the I call these baby wipes. Wet wipes. Okay? So I like this box, and I really thought I had canceled it because after last month's box that I didn't like, I mean not last month but the last season's box, I didn't like it. I just didn't get around to canceling it. So which box is this? Summer? I guess it is. This box top kind of reminds me of my shirt. Okay, so that's my unboxing for the Walmart Beauty Box. And if you like this box, then please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and you all have a very blessed day. Bye. Let me do this. There you go. You can see a little bit. Okay, I'm going for good now. Bye.